In the world of project management, choosing the right software can feel like selecting the perfect tool for a complex job. Two names that frequently come up in discussions about robust project management capabilities are Microsoft Project and Smartsheet. Both are powerful, but they approach project management from different angles, leading to the question, is Smartsheet better than MS Project? As a project management expert, I can tell you there's no single better answer that fits all situations. The ideal choice depends heavily on your team's specific needs, your project's complexity, your budget, and your team's familiarity with different types of software interfaces. Let's delve into a comparison to help you make an informed decision. Microsoft Project, the traditional powerhouse. Microsoft Project, MS Project, has been a cornerstone of project management for decades. It's a desktop-first application, although cloud-based versions, Project Online / for the web, have emerged. MS Project is renowned for its deep, granular control over project schedules, resources, and costs. Strengths of MS Project. Robust scheduling and Gantt charts. This is where MS Project truly shines. It offers incredibly detailed control over task durations, dependencies, including complex relationships like finish to start to start, etc., critical path analysis, and baselines. If you need to build intricate, precise project schedules and track them against a baseline, MS Project is exceptionally capable. Advanced resource management. MS Project provides sophisticated tools for assigning resources, tracking their workload, managing resource leveling to resolve overallocations, and even calculating resource costs. This is crucial for large projects with shared and limited resources. Detailed reporting. It offers a wide array of built-in reports that can be customized to provide in-depth insights into project progress, costs, resource utilization, and potential risks. Integration with Microsoft ecosystem. For organizations heavily invested in Microsoft products, Office 365, SharePoint, Teams, MS Project often integrates seamlessly, which can be a significant advantage for data flow and collaboration within that ecosystem. Industry standard. Many project managers, especially those with PMP certifications or backgrounds in traditional project management methodologies, are trained on and familiar with MS Project. Weaknesses of MS Project. Steep learning curve. MS Project is notoriously complex. Its wealth of features and specific terminology can be overwhelming for beginners, often requiring dedicated training to master. Less intuitive for collaboration. While newer versions have improved collaboration features, its core design is less focused on real-time, fluid team collaboration compared to modern cloud-based tools. Sharing and co-editing can sometimes be clunky. Cost. It can be more expensive, especially if you need the desktop version and multiple licenses, potentially adding up for larger teams. Limited flexibility. Its highly structured nature can sometimes feel rigid for teams that prefer agile methodologies or a more flexible, less formal approach to project tracking. Smartsheet, the collaborative spreadsheet hybrid. Smartsheet takes a different approach, blending the familiarity of a spreadsheet with powerful project management and collaboration features. It's a cloud-based platform designed for flexibility, ease of use, and real-time teamwork. Strengths of Smartsheet. User-friendly interface. Smartsheet's spreadsheet-like interface makes it highly intuitive, especially for users familiar with Excel or Google Sheets. This significantly reduces the learning curve and speeds up adoption across teams. Strong collaboration. It excels at real-time collaboration. Teams can share sheets, add comments at the row or cell level, attach files, request updates, and get notifications. This fosters transparency and keeps everyone aligned. Flexibility and adaptability. Smartsheet is incredibly versatile. You can use it for simple task lists, complex project schedules, with Gantt charts and dependencies, content calendars, resource trackers, and much more. Its customizable columns and views, grid, Gantt, card/Kanban, calendar, allow teams to work in the way that suits them best. Powerful automation. Smartsheet offers robust automation capabilities, allowing you to set up rules for alerts, update requests, approvals, and even complex workflows without needing to write code. This streamlines repetitive administrative tasks. Dashboards and reporting. It's easy to create highly visual, customizable dashboards that provide real-time insights into project progress, KPIs, and team workload, making it excellent for executive reporting. Integrations. Smartsheet integrates with a wide range of popular business tools like Microsoft Teams, Slack, Google Workspace, Jira, Salesforce, and more, enabling seamless data flow across your tech stack. Weaknesses of Smartsheet. Less granular scheduling control. While it offers Gantt charts and dependencies, it doesn't provide the same deep level of scheduling nuance, e.g., complex resource leveling algorithms, detailed critical path manipulation, as MS Project. Resource management as an add-on. While it has resource management capabilities, more advanced or enterprise-level resource allocation and forecasting often require an additional premium add-on called Resource Management by Smartsheet, formerly 10,000 feet, can become complex with scale. While flexible, for truly massive and highly interconnected projects, managing a multitude of linked sheets and reports can sometimes become complex if not well organized. No offline desktop application. As a cloud-based tool, it requires an internet connection for full functionality,